Good morning, dear students. Students, actually, you have algebra on Monday, and instead of algebra, I will be sending you the geometry. And on Wednesday, you have geometry. Instead of geometry, you will be having algebra videos. So, kindly note this. So, students, today we are going to learn how to solve the sums from the exercise 6.1 or practice set 6.1. So I request you to open page number 131 of your geometry textbook. Before solving the sums, you should be familiar with the formulas of relationship between trigonometrical ratios and trigonometrical identities. So these two are very important for you to make use of in solving the sums. So when you are solving the sums of trigonometry, you have to always use these two and find out which ratio is related to which other ratio and make use of the formula for solving the sums, and it will make you the sum easier and also to save the time. So let us have a glance at these formulas. So in relationship between trigonometrical ratio, there are 11 formulas and I have already written, and keep in mind this order: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now I have shown the line. Sine and cosec are related here, cos and sec are related, tan and cot are related, and in between this line I have shown a multiplication sign, meaning here there are three formulas, in this three and these two more. So what are the three formulas here? Sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. Second, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec, and cosec is equal to 1 upon sin. Similarly, cos and sec, tan and cot, and the two more formulas which are very important are tan is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So these are the formulas for relationship between trigonometrical ratios. Next we come to trigonometrical identities. Here I have drawn, this is the line, and here sin and cos are related. So a line can be named from both the sides, like line AB, line BA. Same way I have drawn a line, so that means we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. And the second formula here is sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Same way, for sec and tan I have shown the ray, and ray means it always starts from the point. So as I have shown the ray from sec towards the tan, what we get here, and here we have minus sign. So whenever there is a ray, we have to use a minus sign. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then if you carry tan square on the right hand side, you will get sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Same way we have for cosec and cot, and here also we are having a ray, so it starts from cosec. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and then if you carry on the right hand side cot square, you will get cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and if you carry cosec square, we get cos square theta, cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So these two are very important, and here we have 11 formulas, here we have 9 formulas, 3 here, 3 for sec and tan, and 3 for cosec and cot. Hope you must have understood how to make use of the formulas. Every now and then you have to write down this, draw the line, draw the arrow mark, and try to learn the formulas for solving the sums. So let us go with the first sum of practice set 6.1.